We back with another one. Today we got a F-150 2005, I think 2008 F-150 all the way from Taos, New Mexico. I worked on this truck a while back, maybe I want to say a year ago kinda, maybe a little bit more than a year ago. We did a weld on sunroof with the black suede, or the black, I'm not even sure if it was suede or not, black fabric. We did a weld on sunroof. It's finally giving him problems, so he wants to go ahead and rip all that out, and he wants to go with a brand new sunroof with the black suede. He did bring me another headliner, which is nice because it's going to make my job a lot easier. I don't have to rip the fabric off of that one, so that's a nightmare, ripping with that, taking off an old headliner with the foam. So it's just going to speed up the process. We are going to repaint the roof. Check it out. This thing's clean on them 26s. These 26s. Yeah, 26s, big wheels. This is my style, guys, compared to like the welds and the racing and all that stuff. I like the big wheels. I've always loved big wheels on trucks. But this thing is clean. He actually did another hood on it. Nice, nice, nice. But check it out. It's got a weld-on sunroof, bodywork on top, and it still looks good inside, just how we left it. Is it suede? Yes, it is suede. Check it out. Clean. He just says it's starting to give him a little issues opening and closing. That's usually what you get with the weld on with the used ones, because they are used off of other cars. That's why I give you guys the option of either going brand new, which is a little bit more, but you get more warranty out of it, and you get no body work and all that stuff on it. But yeah, we're gonna rip this out. We're gonna go ahead and rip out the headliner. We're gonna go ahead and do the work so we can go ahead and fit the new sunroof to it, because this one's a lot wider this way. So we are gonna have to add some metal to it, and then do the body work. We are gonna repaint his roof. I'm gonna repaint it for him, and then go from there. All right, guys, here it is, final result. New sunroof. We did the body work. We added some metal up on top, painted it. Check it out. It's looking good. Suede. It's got the shade.